Hey YouTube, quick update for the UK crowd. Come on guys. Buzz. What do you got there, guy? Huh? What is that, Gordy? What is that, Gordy? That's Gordy. Oh, he thought he was going outside. Come on, Buzz. Oh, they thought they were going in the house. Yep, there they go. Someone breathed. Quick update for the UK people. A lot of your tools that are susceptible to sweating in your damp weather. What I've done here is mounted a light bulb inside the bottom drawer of my toolbox where I'm keeping anything susceptible to flash rust. And it's a little 60-watt light bulb. And there we go. It keeps everything in there mighty toasty, sweat free. We got some heat. We got some. You can feel heat here. Feel warmth there. This stuff here is warm. It's the third drawer up. This still has some warmth to it. This top drawer's been open a while. But, yeah, not so warm. Okay, just a little tip I picked up from Steve Summers down there in Kentucky, USA. Okay, guys, tell a buddy, bring a friend. Please like and subscribe.